The heavier snow, ice, and rain we saw earlier today has moved on out, but we still have a lot of moisture across our area. Generally light snow flurries, little bits of freezing drizzle, and then regular drizzle as well. Temperatures, however, continuing to fall. We will be below freezing overnight tonight, so even a little bit of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause slick spots. So keep that in mind if you're heading out and about tonight. The heavier rain coming in with the ice storm, that'll be coming in first thing tomorrow morning. As far as the snow we've seen so far, generally north of Florence, west of I-95, we saw 3 to 4 up to 5 inches of snow. Darlington, Hartsville, 3 to 4 inches of snow. Bennettsville saw 4 inches of snow. Robinson County, 3 to 5 inches of snow. So there are some heavier amounts across North Carolina. Most of that snow is over right now, and tomorrow morning we may start as a little bit of snow, but it is going to be mainly an ice event tomorrow, even across our northern counties. Our forecast headlines for tonight: round one, the first bit that we saw today is ending. We're going to see a little bit of a lull tonight with just light ice and snow overnight tonight. The major ice storm, the severe ice, will be tomorrow, and that's going to start first thing in the morning. As far as what we're expecting, storm totals today plus what we see tomorrow, mostly ice, mostly rain right along the beaches, but there will be a couple of hours of ice first thing in the morning. As you go west, there will be more ice. The areas of purple and blue, that's the main impact from the ice for tomorrow. The little bit of snow that we saw today, 2 to 6 inches, that'll be topped off by some ice for tomorrow. And as far as what we're expecting, this is our computer generation of ice accumulations through the day tomorrow. Anything over 0.7 is going to be a major ice storm with tree damage and power outages. Parts of the PD west of I-95 could see an inch of ice accumulation tomorrow. That is going to cause major problems and power outages. Keep that in mind for tomorrow as part of the storm. Outside right now, temperatures in the 20s and lower 30s, continuing to fall. It's going to get cold overnight tonight after a cold day today. Highs only in the 30s. Early morning temperatures along the coast were in the 40s, but even those have fallen down to around 32 degrees. Our 3-degree guarantee, yesterday's forecast in Georgetown, 43 degrees. We hit this one. 45 was the high, so we've added another $100 to from Glass Pro to the American Red Cross, and that total is currently up to $1,900. Our satellite picture then showing first bunch moving on out of here, second bunch back to the west. That'll be moving in for tomorrow, and that's going to be the heavier amount of ice and snow. So our forecast then for tonight, we will see the rain, ice, and snow moving in, 20s and lower 30s. Generally lighter amounts for tonight, but it'll stay windy and cold. For tomorrow, the heavier stuff moves back in. Severe ice storm for tomorrow, temperatures in the low 30s. Inland areas warming above freezing right along the coast, so only a few hours of ice first thing in the morning along the Grand Strand, and then things improving toward afternoon. At the beaches, small craft advisory because of these strong winds and the rough seas. 7-day forecast showing the storm tomorrow will be winding down on Thursday and then clearing out and staying dry and warmer heading into the weekend into next week. In fact, by next week, temperatures should be above normal in the lower 60s, but until we get there, we've got this storm. We're only about halfway through with the storm, so even though it's a little bit nicer outside right now than it was earlier, it is going to get worse tomorrow.
Thank you so much, Frank.